Hi there, my name is Daniel Solom and I'm the founder of Decryptionary.com. That's the simplest crypto dictionary and beginner's guide. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to the basic concepts around cryptocurrencies. We're going to touch on the 13 major common cryptocurrency words that everyone needs to know. Then we're going to touch on the 5 different categories that you can classify cryptocurrencies into, and finally the 8 resources you should be using right now. Before I go on, here's a quick disclaimer. Nothing published by me or Decryptionary should be taken as investment advice. In fact, before you invest in anything, make sure you do your own research. The next word I decided to combine because they're just so related. We've got a coin and we've got a token. The difference between them is, well, it's actually pretty big, because a coin is something, we take it from the word Bitcoin. It's basically just money. It doesn't really have any other abilities. Then we've got something like a token. Ethereum is a token. What makes that special is you can program Ethereum to have smart contracts. You can build other cryptocurrencies using Ethereum. Ethereum is programmable. Right now, many different tokens have been made using Ethereum's technology. This is known as ERC20. That's just the language of Ethereum. There are there's a ton of different competitors coming out for this platform for cryptocurrency, something to compete with Ethereum. Probably the closest competitor to Ethereum would have to be Neo, and they've got their own language called NEP5. And then we've got our very favorite coin. This is the most loved, most trusted, most stable coin, fiat currency. That's a joke. Fiat literally means a rule or a law or a decree. It's an order from someone in power, right? So the government says, hey, this is the money you're going to be using, and it's the only legal money you can use in this country that you can pay taxes with, that you can pay other organizations with. Well, really, it's just taxes. So fiat is an order, it's a law made by someone in power. And fiat currency, well, we've got USD, we've got Euro, and we've got GBP. 3 of the top three of the top fiat currencies. So I could get pretty emotional here about fiat currency, and I'm not talking about tears. There's so much negativity about that type of money. You'll have to do your own research and decide what's right for you. Probably because you're checking into crypto, you know that fiat might have some vulnerabilities, right? Just downplay that. If you were to really look at it, fiat currency has its value, or any money, crypto included. Any money has value because we believe in it, we trust in it, and if any of that belief fades or disappears, then it becomes worthless. It's just the paper, worth less than the paper it's printed upon, which you can see that happening in many different countries. Happened recently in Greece. I believe it's happening in Venezuela right now, so stay educated on your money. You've just discovered what coins, tokens, and fiat is. I've got a few more definitions to cover with you, and then we're going to touch on the tools and categories I mentioned earlier. It's going to be simple, visual, and as usual, entertaining. I'll see you in my next video.